Hi, this is my monster mind map. Okay, so here is my project for the monster mind map. Okay, so genetics 101. This is the first mind map the class has done. Proteins are important for your cells. They are the workers of your cells. RNA is a copy of DNA because the DNA is too big to go through the nucleus during the process of making proteins. So that means that since the DNA is too big, then it is copied down to RNA. The RNA goes all the way to the ribosome. It basically finds the ribosome, and the ribosome reads the RNA and makes a protein. Okay, so each gene codes for for a different protein. There are 30,000 different proteins. My proteins make my cells unique from everybody else's because of my DNA. Okay. Traits and adaptations 2.8/9. Traits and adaptations are very important for surviving. Behavioral and physical traits help you survive because of the way you act and the way you look. Natural selection can show if you'll live or die by the way your genes are either best or bad. There are all adaptations. Okay. So right here, the behavioral trait is basically how you act and how your color gets passed down and stuff like that. And then this, your physical trait, it's how you reproduce and create someone else to pass down your genes. Okay. For the 2.14 pollination mind map, I put there are many pollinators, but this is how they pollinate. It begins with the pollinator who heads to a flower, and as it's on the flower, pollen from the anther gets rubbed on the pollinator. Basically, the pollinator only goes to the flower because of its sweet, juicy nectar. The pollinator heads to another flower, and the stigma gets the pollen from the pollinators. The pollen heads to the style and enters the ovary. The pollen fertilizes the ovaries and becomes a seed and becomes a fruit after that. Okay. 2.17. There are many things about you that are different from others. For example, you might have thumbs that are heterozygous or homozygous. You might have a dominant or recessive allele. Not everyone has the same alleles.